Okay, welcome to my unboxing of the Intel Core i7-3770K. It's on the LGA 1155 platform. It's an unlocked Ivy Bridge CPU. So let's get it open. So when we open it, we find this very eco-friendly packaging, right there. And you have a little manual and a little i7 sticker that you can stick on your case. So that's about it from that box. So let's have a look at this box. What we got here is plastic. Here's the Intel stock cooler. I'm not going to be needing this because I've got a third-party CPU cooler, which will be a lot better than this. So pop that off to the side, and when we get in here, you just pop that out, and here's the CPU in its little plastic shroud. So this is a very small CPU. It's got 1,155 pads on the bottom. Make sure you don't touch this, or you don't touch the heat spreader on the top either. The grease on your hands makes it all go poof, all that. So thank you for watching my quick unboxing of the Intel i7-3770K. Please subscribe and like this video.